Hey guys, we're coming to you today from my bench where we're going to be working on the rest of the tailstock. Took the handle outside out in the open air and I sprayed it down with engine cleaner, hoping that the engine cleaner will take some of the paint off. I know oven cleaner will, but I don't have any. So what we're going to do is look at cleaning up, getting all the swarf dried, not dried, but hardened oil and stuff off of the base and the upper part of the tailstock. A new piece of equipment I will be using today is a 3M half-face respirator that I bought to use when I'm using brake cleaner and other chemicals like that to save what's left of my lungs. Some irritants cause me to lose 30% of my lung function in a hurry, so we're going to try to avoid that. You know guys, as A versus E would say, it just never ends. Came in to do this video, had 3 fluorescent lights out. I've already started cleaning this part. My battery was dead and my backup battery was dead, so as you can see there's a slight bit of wear right down through here on the end, especially on the end toward the lathe. It's got to be a good 3/1000. So what I thought was swarf in here is actually the roughest sand casting you will ever see in your life. I don't know how they got it out of the sand. It was so rough. And what's the word I'm looking for? Ever who scraped this in, looks like they scraped it with a grinder. A side grinder, not a precision surface grinder, a side grinder. I don't know if you can see that or not. Look through my... Some of the areas that you would expect to find some fine scrapings in was done with rough grinders. So I'm having some issues with that. I'm going to have to make sure I've got a cleaned up smooth stone and try to stone that a little bit. Put some clean paper towels down here while I do this. This was what I was talking about when I said something about using an airline to blow your lathe off. This is the lockdown that goes under the tailstock that locks it down to the ways. It is covered with small chips. So yeah, airline blew them all the way up under there. Let me put a little WD on this to keep it from going all over the place maybe. getting a little airborne. Might help if I'd put my working glasses on. There we go. And now I can see. That was irritating. Got that cleaned up pretty good now. If I can get some of this off my gloves. Have to get me a can of Windex out here. That's pretty good at taking that stuff off your gloves so you don't have to change your gloves out so much. Saves money. Trick, well, 409 works great too. That's a trick I learned working in the nuclear industry. To keep my gloves, when I got down to my last pair of extra gloves, then I would start cleaning them so I didn't have to pull them off. Especially if I wasn't near a glove stash somewhere. Can you see those striations right along in here and here? That's been ground with a rough grinding stone, and that's the last it was ever touched. At least this side looks to have been scraped. Either that or they just hit it with a Dremel tool to make it look like it had been scraped. That's the last I'm going to do with that. See how hard this paint is to get off. And until you have a career, all you have is a job. Jobs can disappear in a heartbeat. Careers last longer. They'll last a lifetime. So young people, if any young people are watching this, decide what you want to do in this world. Something that you will enjoy, that you can make money at. Go for it and enjoy it. You only get one time around in this world. Make the best of it. That's the worst sand casting I've ever seen. I don't know if I'm making a silk purse out of a sow's ear or just polishing a... Well, the old guys don't know what I'm talking about. Polishing a large piece of excrement. But I'm going to make her look good and run the best I can. And then if I don't like it, I'll put her up for sale. She'll look good and run good, and I'll get me another one. I don't know if all this white burns out the video, or if it helps, hurts, somebody let me know what you think. Please. Please let me know what you think. Guys, I am open to suggestions all the time. My feelings will not be hurt. My feelings could be hurt. I'd probably died from it. They've been hurt so many times. Whoa, mama. That's a heavy piece of cast. Now, ooh, don't have a lot of strength in my arms anymore. Both shoulders been operated on. What else? One's been replaced. Of course, you guys, if you've seen any of my videos lately, you'll know that I had one of my wrists replaced, or not replaced, but fused. So that's restricted me some. Don't have a lot of strength in that hand or wrist right now. Lost all my grip. Man, that's a rough casting. Hello everyone, this is Vernon. The video that you have just seen, I tried a couple of different things in it. I need some comments on it to let me know what you think of it. I tried to fast forward through some of it. I may have fast forwarded too fast. You give me some feedback on that, let me know. But the video was running very long. It was running over 35-40 minutes. I talk a lot, you know, good old-fashioned country terms. So I fast-forwarded through the action where I was simply brushing or sanding or whatever I was doing that doesn't require a lot of explanation or talking. Hopefully I'll get some feedback on this. Tell me how you like it. If you'd rather me not fast-forward through things, that's okay. If you do, so I can keep it succinct in the videos, then let me know. May God bless all of you. Have a great day. We'll see you again.